Opposition leader Mark Golding has announced his intention to sue Deputy Speaker of the House Heroy Clarke. The legal threat stems from alleged defamatory remarks Clarke reportedly made about Golding and his wife Sandra in a WhatsApp group with hundreds of members. Trishagaye has that update.
Opposition leader Mark Golding says he will be pursuing legal action against Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives Heroy Clarke for alleged defamatory comments made about him and his wife Sandra. These remarks were allegedly made by Clarke in a WhatsApp group with approximately 300 members. Shortly thereafter, Golding's legal team issued a letter to Clarke outlining their demands. Failure to comply with the demands, as stated in the letter, would result in legal proceedings against Clarke. But how valid are these charges really? We spoke with Michael Williams, attorney at law and former journalist, to provide further clarity on the potential suit. He says to prove defamation, adequate damage to reputation must be proven.
The claimant must prove that right-thinking members of society will see him or her in a less than good light. In other words, his reputational harm must be proved.
Furthermore, Williams addressed the required criteria if the matter goes to court.
If it is that the honorable member from the Montego Bay constituency stated that Mr. Golding should be arrested because he married or got his wife pregnant or had sexual intercourse with her whilst she was yet under the age of consent, which is 16 in Jamaica, and that he should be arrested for what is commonly called statutory rape. And if it is not true that this is so, then certainly he has been defamed.
Williams explains that in this case, justification or truth of Clarke's statements must be proven. However, he notes that might prove difficult under the circumstances.
Truth is the ultimate defense against a claim for defamation. They would have to show that on a balance of probabilities, if the statement was made that there is justification for it, they would have to show by a preponderance of evidence or on a balance of probability that in fact the statement, if it was made, is in fact true.
Up to news time, attempts to obtain a comment from both Golding and Clarke proved futile. Trishagaye, CVM News.